Mars, marami kang mga bakit na
Alam mo,
kailangan
dapat-
sagutin in life.
Alam mo, dapat kasi hindi na ako nakapag-eye contact sa kanya eh. Sabi ko nga ba,
Alam mo, tinry mo magano, pero...
okay, this is my bakit. Bakit pagiging artista, performer, entertainer ang napili mong i-pursue na career?
Ah, nice, Mars. Alam mo, may maganda kang kwento dyan eh.
I really didn't think I had a career dito, Mars.
Okay.
Parang ginawa ko lang para manahimik lang yung mga magulang ko. Kasi parang, anak, sige, kumakanta ka naman as a front act sa Australia. Sige, try mo lang. But little did I know that I would still be here after 10 years, Mars. So ngayon, na talagang choice ko na siya, it's because I love it. Ang saya to be on stage. Noong una, wala akong kaalam-alam. I didn't know how to host. I wanted to be a singer. I wanted to be...
Yun yung maganda niyang kwento.
Mars,
Gusto niya
I
maging singer talaga pagdating niya
Mars.
dito. Kaso Mars, pagdating mo dito,
I wanted to be a singer, a dancer, a performer. Kaso itong si Sara Hieronimo natutong sumayaw.
at ginalingan ng sobra.
At ginalingan niya sobra. Nawala na lang yung dream ko. Sabi ko, ay, wala na akong pag-asa dyan. Host na lang ako. Oo, pero I really enjoy what I do, Mars. Aside from the fact that, you know, of course, it's good pay. You know, it pays the bills. We get to feed our families. But I really love what I do, and it's just so nice. I really feel so lucky and blessed, Mars, na ito yung trabaho natin. Because I love it. Thank you so much. And for that, ipapasok ko ang aking bucket to...
Balik kay Rochelle. Joke lang ito naman.
Mars, pwede. Kaya
Hindi na pala
ipapasok ko
pwede.
to kay
Balik.
Angela. Charot!
Ayan, pwede yun Pwede yun
Okay, Mars, ito na.
Okay, Mars.
This is your bucket. Bakit takot na takot ka sa kinukonsider mong greatest fear mo in life ngayon? Pinag-usapan natin
Oo
ito,
nga,
Mars.
no.
Try mong huwag umiyak, ha?
Oo nga. Parang nakaramdam. Hindi kasi parang kahapon nagkataon na parang yung fears kasi natin because of this pandemic, parang mas naging totoo siya. Like, I'm sure most of us, yung fear natin is losing a loved one or yung tayo mismo yung mawala. And syempre, yung fear na yon has always been there, but this pandemic made it even real na it could happen to any of us, na pwedeng mangyari kahit kanino sa atin.
And it could happen sooner than you ever imagined.
Oo, Mars. Kasi dati parang pwedeng it will happen eventually, inevitable naman yun, pero hindi ganito na now na, 'di ba? So yun lang, Mars. Kaya ko din siya fear kasi syempre yung fear ko kasi among the other fears that I have is going first before yung leaving my kids behind, my family behind. So syempre, Mars, kaya ako siya fear kasi ang liliit pa ng mga anak ko. So parang iniisip ko lang naku, paano kaya kayo? Paano na lang kayo? Yun lang, Mars.
Alright, I love it.
There you have it.